Hi traders, in this video I am going to be showing you how to set up and use the ATR Histogram Indicator for MT4. Okay, so the first step is to come to the Forex Geek website. You're going to see the link in the description. Just follow the link, and once you get here, you just click on this. You're going to download the MT4 indicator. You go to your MT4 terminal. Of course, you have to go to open data folder, and then you navigate to the indicators folder. You paste the indicator file there. You come back to your navigator, you refresh in order for the indicator to reflect. All right, so after doing that, you just have to look for the ATR histogram. You drag it and drop it on your chart. It's as easy as that. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Now, as for the input, the only customizable input settings that we have here is the ATR period, right? So you can modify the period depending on the sensitivity that you wish. If you want the indicator to be more sensitive, you have to reduce the value. But if you want it to be less sensitive, you have to increase the value. Okay, it's as easy as that. Now, what does this indicator do? It visualizes the average true range in a clean histogram format, as you can see here, making it easy to spot changes in market volatility, breakout conditions, and potential trend acceleration or slowdown. Right, so whether you are trading reversals, or you're trading breakouts or momentum based strategies, this histogram helps you to gauge market strength at a glance. All right, so whenever the trend is real, okay, permits me to use the word real. Okay, what I mean is, in a trending market, in other words, in a trending market, price has a definite direction, right? You will notice that the histogram bars will increase in length. But in a ranging market, okay, this indicator, I would recommend that you do not use it in a ranging market. Okay, I'm just going to add the rectangle right now so that I can use that to describe something. So in a ranging market like this, you're going to notice that the histogram bars will just be, fluctuating around the lower levels, right? But when the trend is real, when the trending market continues or begins, you notice that the histogram bars will increase in length. So what you want to do is to look out for the increase in momentum. All right, so once you notice that the bars are beginning to increase in length, confirmed by price action, market structure. For example, if you notice a breakout from a consolidation and then you can see that the histogram bars are increasing in length, what do you have to do? You look for a buy opportunity. All right, if you notice a breakdown, to the downside, perhaps after a bullish trend, or maybe after a consolidation still. In this case, you can see it was after a bullish trend, right? After a bullish trend, we can see that this was even the peak of the histogram bars, literally the peak of the histogram bars. And then we noticed that the histogram bars began to reduce in length. Okay, but there was a breakout from the bullish trend line showing you that it's a sell opportunity. All right, and then I'm just trying to look for another example. Okay, we can see now in this particular example we had a breakout from a bullish trend as well, and you will notice that the histogram bars were increasing in length. Okay, so in this case the sell momentum was getting stronger, right? And you can see that the histogram bars increased in length. Okay, so this would have been a good place to look for a sell opportunity, as you notice the breakout from the bullish trend line and an increase in length of the histogram bars. Okay, so pretty straightforward, right? If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you can kindly do that and click the notification bell so you do not miss out on more trading videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.